Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to recover a suspended Facebook account. Alright, let's begin. First, you have to check notifications. When your account is restricted, you typically receive a notification explaining the reason for the restriction. But if it's not showing here, then the other way to check violation that you did is through your profile page. Simply click on the profile icon, open your profile, and in profile, if you access these three dots, you will be on your profile settings. Here, you have to tap on profile status and you will see your violation here. It could be community guideline violation or any other. Now to solve that, get back and from the menu, open settings. In settings, open the account center and in the account center, access the personal details tab. Inside it, you will find identity confirmation. You just have to tap on that and then verify yourself. Simply tap on confirm your identity and it will ask you to give details about your ID and other details. Now for the next and last step, get back in menu, scroll down and you will find help and support. You have to click on that and then tap on report a problem. Now tap on OK and it will prompt you to go back to where you saw an issue and shake your phone. Sometimes account restrictions are temporary and your account will be automatically restored after a specific period. If you have addressed the issue and followed the provided guidance, wait for the restrictions to be lifted. So that's basically how you can recover a suspended Facebook account. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.